Just want to make a quick PSA announcement. I've seen people working on Xboxes and having them to where the tray won't open here, and then after they take it apart they find out that there's discs in here, but they couldn't get the tray out to see if there was any discs on it. But I don't know if you can see it or not, but right here, about a ½ inch down from the line, is a little hole. And that hole, anyone who worked with computers back in the 90s or early 2000s should recognize this, that if you push a paper clip in that hole, it ejects. And there's a disc in here. Okay, I just got this Xbox, but look at, I mean, the thing is freaking good. I mean, it's not a scratch on it. I don't know if you can see it or not, but let me see. Can you? No, you really can't see. But the tray releases. All you have to do is push in on that little button. I'm going to leave this in here for now, and I'll surprise myself the next time I open it. But yeah, all you have to do is, if you can't, I don't know if this tray works or not, but I just wanted to show you this. You don't even need power connected. All you need is a paper clip and push in the hole right there, and then it ejects, and then you can pull it out and see what's in there. And this one had Sniper Elite in it. So I'll have to go and look at my copy and see if this looks better than mine. Okay, that's all I wanted to say tonight. And everyone, have a good night. Have a happy holidays. Have a happy holiday season. Merry Christmas. And just try to treat other people the way you want to be treated. And this world will be a whole lot better. Have a good night.